Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Janice, and today I will be showing you how to make a really delicious peach drink, and I know that you and your family will really enjoy it very much. And this is a really simple recipe to make. The ingredients that I will be using are 1 can, 29 ounces of sliced peaches, drained, half cup of milk, 1 cup of ice cubes, a blender, and some glasses to pour your juice in. And this drink serves 3 to 4 people. Okay, now the peach drink is ready to be served, and I will pour it into my glass. And like I said before, this serves 3 to 4 people. And what I normally do is I would put it in the refrigerator to get a little bit colder, and like I said, you can have it any time you like, and it's really refreshing and it's really good, and I know that you will like it very much. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please try my recipe. I know you'll like it. And don't forget to leave me some comments and letting me know what you think about my recipe, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for more videos like this. Bye.